There are several reasons why men think about going ahead with penis enlargement from home. First and foremost, it is a matter of maintaining their modesty. Not many men would like to walk up to a doctor's clinic and say that they have a small problem. If you want more advice on how to penis enlargement at home, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. More penis enlargement videos are coming soon. If you seriously want this product, please click the link in the description below. The discretion part of it is very important when men try for home-based treatments for this issue. Then there is also the safety part. Who can you trust when it comes to penis enlargement? The industry is filled with more quacks than any other. Some of these methods can backfire even, and the small problem could snowball into a problem so big that you won't be able to handle it. In any case, it is a fact that men are looking for methods that can help them get the benefits of penis enlargement from home. The good point here is that there are various methods that can help you get that if you are looking for it. But you have to be careful. If you researched on the internet, you would find that the traction devices are being highly advertised. That may be well, but you must know that these traction devices operate by creating a vacuum pressure on your penis. This can make things difficult. If you apply higher pressure, you might end up damaging your penis and the tissues that surround it because the cylinder could even cut into the flesh. You need to be extra careful when using such mechanical devices. The same applies to penis weights, and even the highly publicized penis enlargement exercises. The best and the safest methods to use, from those that are present on the internet today, are the penis enlargement pills. These pills contain all herbal ingredients, which means there are very few things that can go wrong in using them. And since we are speaking about discreetness, this method for enlargement at home really works, because you can't be more discreet about something than just popping one pill with water per day. Results are important, of course. Even here the penis enlargement pills score, because most of the reputed ones can bring about an increas, along with various side benefits such as giving harder erections, and helping the man to hold out on ejaculating for a longer period of time. This method for penis enlargement from home is one method that anyone can use and be benefited without any risk to their health. Mark Thompson is an easy and expert author. To read reviews of Extigen, one of the top-ranked penis enlargement pills, and to discover the secrets. Exclusive trial offer product today. Click the link in the description below. If you like the video, then give the thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more information.